Father. So today we, as well as our NSS volunteers from St. James School, they have celebrated International Women's Day in a grand manner. So programs, whatever we had organized, it went so well. And I want to know you, Father, from your side, that what message you want to give regarding this International Women's Day.
Yeah, it was good that you celebrated Women's Day in a grand manner with your NSS volunteers. It was really a good one. And the message I want to give to all the women is that men and women, we are each other's complements. Whatever men can do, women may not be able to do,
Yes.
and whatever women can do, men may not be able to do. So if we come together, then it becomes one block.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if we work, men and women work separately, it becomes two blocks. So we are created as one. So if we complement each other, then there will be success in the world, and there will be success in whatever endeavor we do.
That's 100% true. Thank you, Father, for your important message to our women in our country as well as in our society. So, in the coming days, we will be able to organize more and more programs.
We are all gathered here today in order to celebrate all the strong women in our lives. The world celebrated International Women's Day yesterday, the 8th of March. We could not celebrate this yesterday due to the ongoing unit tests for the most of us. Behind celebrating this day, the purpose is to promote peace with women's rights and empowerment. While women should be respected and empowered and treated well, not just on Women's Day, but every day, this particular day is marked to honor all the women and their achievements regardless of the divisions, whether national, ethnic, linguistic, cultural, economical, or racial. Time and again, women have proved their work by excelling in every field and bringing pride and joy. They have not just been great and powerful leaders in the economic and political domain, but also movements and other fields as well. Let us now trace how the Women's Day came into existence. The International Women's Day stems from a workers' movement. It first emerged at a turn of the 20th century in North America and across Europe. When in the year 1908, 15,000 women marched into New York City, demanding fewer hours in the job. Apart from this, they demanded that they should be given a better salary and also be given the right to vote. Later, the Socialist Party of America declared this day as the first international meeting in Copenhagen. Changes and new objectives are brought to further engrave the meaning of this day, and in 2015, countries adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its 17 Sustainable Development Goals. In it, we'll fight with achieving gender equality and to empower all women and girls. On behalf of NSS, we would like to welcome all the lady teachers on the stage for a small felicitation as a token of respect towards them. environment, supporting the very spirit of what the day stands for. The play depicts various unjust and immoral acts towards women that are still so very prominent in our allegedly modern society. So now I'm going to provide some trigger warnings to all of you. The trigger warnings for this play will be sexual harassment, abuse, and bullying.
स्वागत है आप सबका इस भारत माता की देश में जहाँ हर औरत के साथ अत्याचार हो रहा है।
स्वागत है आप सबका इस भारत माता के देश में जहाँ 1000 से भी ज्यादा डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का केस दर्ज हो रहा है।
स्वागत है आप सबका इस भारत माता के देश में जहाँ हर पॉलिटिशियन सोचते हैं वो करते कुछ नहीं।
स्वागत है आप सबका इस भारत माता के देश में जहाँ हर परिवार में ऐसा एक इंसान होता है जो औरत को बोलता है अपने सपनों के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करे।
कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्यों करें हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज? नारी है नारी जो आज भी इस समाज की नजरों में बेबस और भारी। एक दिन आएगा जब हम अपने पैरों पर खड़े होकर दिखाएंगे। उस दिन इस समाज को अपनी सोच बदलना सिखाएंगे।
ऐसा ही होता था, ऐसा ही होता रहेगा। सोच कभी नहीं बदलेगा।
Scene 1. This scene interprets gender discrimination.
मुझे पैसे चाहिए।
मम्मी मुझे पैसे चाहिए।
पैसे? क्यों चाहिए मुझे पैसे? मम्मी मुझे फोन चाहिए।
मम्मी मुझे फोन चाहिए।
फोन? क्यों चाहिए मुझे फोन? मम्मी मुझे बाइक चाहिए।
मम्मी मुझे बाइक चाहिए।
बाइक? क्यों चाहिए मुझे बाइक? मम्मी मुझे MBA करने के लिए अब्रॉड जाना है।
मम्मी मुझे MBA करने के लिए अब्रॉड जाना है।
अब्रॉड? क्यों जाना है मुझे अब्रॉड?
अरे बेटी अब्रॉड जाके करेगी क्या? 40 लाख का खर्चा आएगा। से वापस आके तेरी शादी पे हो जाएगी। फिर तेरी शादी में मुझे दहेज भी देना पड़ेगा। फिर तू शादी करके अपने ससुराल भी चली जाएगी। अरे बेटी जब तुझे शादी करनी है तो तू शादी कर और साथ में बाप की दुआएं लेती जा।
हमारे समाज में हर औरत को अपने निर्णय लेने का पूरा अधिकार है, मगर फिर भी वो लोग हाउसवाइफ है, अपनी मर्जी से नहीं, दूसरे के दबाव में आकर, आप जैसे लोगों के दबाव में आकर, क्योंकि वो बोलते हैं कि बेटा थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लो।
कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्यों करें हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज? नारी है नारी जो आज भी इस समाज की नजरों में बेबस और भारी। एक दिन आएगा जब हम अपने पैरों पर खड़े होकर दिखाएंगे। उस दिन इस समाज को अपनी सोच बदलना सिखाएंगे।
जब समाज कोई नहीं है तुम्हारी बड़ी तो सबकी सोच बदलने पर भी है बड़ी। ऐसा ही होता था, ऐसा ही होता रहेगा। नारी के बारे में समाज का सोच कभी नहीं बदलेगा।
अरे मनुष्य तुझे मेरी घर पैदा होना था, आज तो मैं तुझसे छुटकारा पाकर ही रहूंगा।
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अक्षता और आप देख रहे हैं BTV। हमें अपनी आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि आप टीवी पे आए?
हमारा गांव टीवी से आया।
क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये घटना कैसे घटी?
बेटी खेल रही थी, खेलते खेलते गड्ढे में गिर गई। नहीं, हम झूठ नहीं बोल रहे। देश में कितनी सारे गड्ढे, सरकार को उन सबका हिसाब हमें देना पड़ेगा।
दर्शकों, हमें अपनी सूचना के द्वारा पता चला है कि इस बच्चे के भविष्य के लिए सरकार ने 2 लाख रुपए का इंतजाम किया है। उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
सरकार का हम शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं। खेती बाड़ी में इस्तेमाल करेंगे। अरे खेती बाड़ी होगा तब बच्चे का भविष्य होगा ना। शादी करके ससुराल चले जाएगी। हमारे समाज में ऐसा ही होता आ रहा है। समाज क्या कहेगा ये दुविधा किसी को नहीं, उनको उनका हक कभी नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि हमारे समाज में ऐसे लोग रहते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि बेटा थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लो।
कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्यों करें हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज? नारी है नारी
नाच रही थी। उसने छोटे कपड़े पहने थे, इसका मतलब वो चाहती थी कि उसका बलात्कार हो। अरे नहीं, उसको इंसाफ मिलेगा, लेकिन उसके लिए पुलिस है, कोर्ट है, लेकिन देखते हैं वो लोग क्या कहते हैं।
रेप केस के आरोपी को कोर्ट में पेश किया जाए। 6 महीने पहले का रेप केस किसी याद रहता है। इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है नेताजी?
अरे आप तो ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि ये रेप तो हम नहीं की है। हम तो अपने देश के औरत के लिए अच्छे सोचते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको इससे प्रॉब्लम है तो आइए पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कीजिए और सिस्टम को बदलिए।
हाँ, मैं ज्वाइन करूंगी पॉलिटिक्स।
पॉलिटिक्स जैसे गंदे गटर में मत पड़ना, जहाँ हर इंसान सिस्टम चेंज करने के लिए आता है, लेकिन सिस्टम उन्हें ही चेंज करके रख देता है। भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
In spite of all the injustice that women go through, they are still strong and worthy of our respect. They deserve to be treated in a just way, and I would like to believe that means all realize it. Thank you.
The favorite creation of God and fountain of life. Okay? You are the God's most loved creation and the source of life. So believe. Now,
Congratulations, Vivek sir.
Thank you for that.
NSS has beautifully presented on International Women's Day, though we celebrated a day after,
Yes,
but it was well presented. So, what do you have to say about this International Women's Day?
International Women's Day is celebrated to give justice to the women wherever they are working, gender equality and for women empowerment. So we have presented small skit here so that whatever domestic violence they all are facing in their daily life. So we have presented here, and we have also seen that in spite of being lots of torture, domestic violence faced by the women, they have come and they have achieved they are able to achieve their success, and we have lots of number of IAS, IPS, lawyers, doctors, engineers. So nowadays slowly the equality is coming, and in future we hope that the women will be treated equally as a man in our society.
To know about gender equality, and everyone treats like women equally as they treat men, and that women will get more opportunities in various fields. And National Women's Day is celebrated so that we can let people know about the injustice done to women, and that equality, women get equality in all spheres of life, in the political, social, and domestic as well.
I believe that women in and around the world should be empowered with equality, liberty and freedom to do whatever they want to do without being questioned about their dreams and passion. And the concept of feminism should also be empowered in and around the world.
When it comes to equality, women are always treated as backward. Men are always treated backwards when it comes to equality. Men are always given more opportunities than the women. So, Women's Day is celebrated so that girls can gain more power in terms of everything. I believe that Women's Day one day will give equality to all the women. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the women out there on this occasion of Women's Day. And I would also like to thank all the women who are fighting on the front lines during this pandemic in the field of science and medicals. And as we know, the theme for this year is Choose to Challenge. I would like to encourage all the women out there to challenge and do what you think you can do.
International Women's Day is celebrated every year, but when it comes to equality, women are always kept aside of everything And now it's time for women to shine, and we support women. And happy Women's Day to everyone.
Hello everyone. Me being the student of St. Xavier's, today we celebrated International Women's Day. Like it's on 8th of March, but we did the program. But it's on 8th of March, but we did the program on 9th of March. I'd like to thank our Vivek sir who helped us make this act happen, and our fathers who allowed us to do this project. As International Women's Day is celebrated around the world, they should be treated equally in the society. Like many cases are happening